Get a less boring home screen setup with Material Photo Widget, an app that lets you add your favorite moments to your home screen in a creative way. Within the app, you get to choose from a variety of aspect ratios for your widget. You also get the option to edit your widget, whereas you can adjust the shape of the widget, change its offset values, configure an action to be performed when you tap the widget, and even change the flip interval to make it more dynamic. Plus, the app doesn't limit you to adding only individual photos because you can add folders directly, which is pretty awesome if you have a lot of photos. This next one lets you skip, pause, or play a previous song by simply just holding your phone's volume buttons. Within the app, you get 3 customizable options for both the volume up and volume down keys, whereas in each option you can assign a function of choice to a single or double tap on the volume keys. And in most use cases of the app is when your phone is in your pocket and you don't want to take it out to skip to the next track. For something more old school, this is Vaporgram, a photo and video editor that gives you that Windows nostalgic feel. Within the photo editing section of the app, you get your normal adjustment tools and text tools. But what isn't normal in this app is the effects. That is, this app has almost every old school effect you'll think of. Whether it's 16 bits, Lego, Matrix, and more, this app has it. 2, it has this sticker section that has a bunch of old school stickers that are just amazing and beautiful. The app is nowhere near Lightroom or Photoshop, but if you want quick old school effects and a nostalgic design, this app has it. One of the most annoying things is always having to turn on auto rotate every time on your phone just to simply use it in specific apps. And to fix that, this is auto rotate, an app that gets rid of the rotation problem by simply remembering to turn on auto rotate in your desired apps. You just have to select the apps of choice in the list section, and whenever you open those apps, the app will turn on auto rotate automatically, and when you leave the app, it will turn it off, which is pretty nice. A special one on the list is Nothing Weather, a weather app from nothing that gives you nothing, pun intended, but that monochrome feel, aesthetic, and dot design that is essential to the Nothing OS. It's not something that will blow you away with features or any crazy weather stats, but the design is something. Just take a minute to look at this home screen setup. Have you noticed anything different? If not, it's the icons. They are huge. And to get these Hulk-sized icons, this is Big Icons, an app that gives you that. Just head over to the app and select your apps of choice, adjust the icon pack to your preference, add a cool looking background color or image, then again hide the title to make it more minimal, adjust the icon's transparency to give it a fade effect, and tap on add widget and you're good to go. Plus, be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated. If you like multitasking, this browser is for you because it lets you browse through multiple web pages at the same time, just like you would on a PC. Just enter your search query and boom, the app will open it in a floating window. Plus, you can minimize the window by just swiping it to the edge of your screen, adjust the size by holding on the corner of the window, and dismissing the window by simply just dragging it to the bottom of your screen. If you want a convenient note-taking app, check out Skipper, a note-taking app that is a perfect balance between functionality, features, and design. With the app, you get a straightforward UI with 3 useful tabs, that is the Notes tab, Archive tab, and a Recycle Bin tab that you can use to see your recently deleted notes. And the fun part is that in the settings of the app, you can customize the theme of the app, save or upload a backup file for your notes if you're afraid to lose them. You can also change the icon style of the app, adjust the reminders look and feel, and you can even prevent screenshots and screen recordings for your confidential notes by turning on secure mode, which is pretty nice. Movies Edge is an app that takes your normal boring always on display feature and makes it more fun, interesting, and unique because the app offers you tons of beautiful always on display faces that really make a difference. And the fun part is that every always on display face is fully customizable, meaning that you can customize every aspect of the always on display to make it feel more you. Plus, there are other useful features like choosing at what time should the always on display feature show, choose the orientation, and my personal favorite, pocket mode, a feature that disables always on display whenever you put your phone in your pocket. If you've ever been in a situation where you're listening to a video podcast or any long video of course and just want to keep the screen off and keep the content playing, check out Keep, an app that helps you achieve that. Just add the app style to your notification shade, and whenever you want to keep the content playing, scroll down and tap the tile and you're good to go. And hey, click the video on the screen to see some amazing open source Android apps. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.